How you can utilize the Axiom Pro wallet tracker that comes over here. When you go over to the trackers page, you should be able to get to the wallet manager and see the live trades of any wallets you're tracking. So as you can see here, the interface is really decent, really good. The trades come through quicker than Bolex, so usually on Bolex NeoVision, you know, when you go over to the actual wallet tracker page and alerts, there's usually like a delay of like 20 seconds before you actually see the trade come through. But on Axiom you can see those trades instantly. So I'm talking, you know, within like literally the same second as you can see a 0 seconds cop C traded this. I can open this right now. On the 1 second chart, as you can see, literally the second before I can see all the trades that are happening instantly. I don't have to wait. I'm not waiting 20 to 30 seconds like I do on a Bolex Neo, for example. So first of all, yeah, you go over here to Axiom Pro, you click on the trackers page, and I've got my live trades here. Obviously you won't have any trades. Now you can actually go ahead and just import your wallets off of Bolex Neo already. If you go over here to Bolex Neo, go to Imports and Export Wallet and click Export, and you can actually go ahead and export your list of Bolex Neo wallets. If you click Export here, you can go ahead and export that list or be a text file, and then you can just paste it in. So yeah, you'll get a text file like this and just copy, and then you just paste in those wallets. You can click import and those wallets should be imported perfectly fine. That's how I did it here over with my wallet list that I have here in the wallet manager. Now if you do want to actually go ahead and get those wallets that I have, or maybe you don't have a wallet tracker page, maybe you don't have wallets to track right now. For example, we actually have a list of 272 of the best wallets to track here on our Discord. So if you want access to that, make sure you go down to the description and enter the link there to get access to our Discord. It's a totally free Discord. A ton of like useful tools and stuff, and it's really active, so I'd love to have you. So yeah, check the link down below to get access to the Discord. It's going to be in the wallets to track page, and same thing here, you just click download. Download this file here, and once you've done that you can open it, and same thing as before. Go over to Axiom, go to the wallet manager, click import, and then just copy and paste that file over here and paste in, and that should work perfectly. So yeah, that's exactly how you can import wallets into the Axiom Pro wallet manager. Now if you do want to add wallets one by one, you can actually go ahead and let's say you want to add a wallet from Good Morning Good Night, for example. You can just go ahead and let me choose a different. We can just go ahead and copy the wallet here like this. Just click copy, go to Axiom Trackers, click add wallet. So I'd add the wallet, paste in the wallet address, and then I'm just going to copy paste this, choose the name as Good Morning Good Night 1, and for the emoji I might choose a frog emoji, so you can choose whatever you emoji want. It's good to use emojis because obviously when you're on the chart and you're looking at the chart, you have to kind of scan over to see what people actually like, who's actually buying. But if you have the emojis, you can actually quickly like scan and see based off of the images who's actually trading. So for example, for me, I have like a like I had a like I have this like cross emoji over here, as you can see, for Ansem. So let me just add this wallet here. I have this cross emoji over here, as you can see, for Ansem, and that's the only emoji I use for Ansem. So whenever I see that cross symbol pop up here on the chart, I instantly know it's Ansem. Same here with this a peanut trader here. If you hover over it, says should say Alvin/Patty. So basically, yeah, I've got this scroll emoji for Alvin/Patty. So I can also see that here on the charts. Yeah, super useful, super easy to use similar to Bolex as well, but it's also a lot faster. So everything's just all the transactions are a lot quicker. I'm seeing it quicker here on the live trade section. So 0 seconds instantly. It's not that lag that you get with Bolex alerts, for example, where you have to wait like 10-20 seconds for the alert to actually come through. So yeah, really nicely done, really beautiful. I'm really loving the interface right now as well with Action Peripheral. Like the interface is a lot better than Bolex, but yeah, if you don't actually have access to Axiom, let me just first of all go over to why exactly you might want to download Axiom. So first of all, Axiom has a built-in Twitter check to check if has been reused before. So basically, if you go over to the Discover page, also the Post page, let's just go ahead and find a token real quick so I can actually go over here and check what the previous usernames for this specific like Twitter address. So if I open up this Twitter address, as you can see, it says /pane, but I can actually just go over here and scroll over, and I'm able to see the previous usernames for this Twitter Address obviously this is like a fake, this username has nothing to do with actual tokens unless, and this might be a scam or something, but yeah, super easy to do. I can actually go over and just so, because obviously like when you're trading there'll be a lot of like different accounts that reuse usernames and stuff like that. Got trail monitor as well. If you go over to trackers, there's going to be a trail monitor here. It's got a wallet tracker, so as you can see I took by the wallet tracker here bundle checker. So if you go over to Pulse, you can see the bond actually how much of the token is bundled a DEX paychecker. So if I go over to read my grade, I can see here that DEX has been paid a bubble map perpetual straight and sorted, so you can actually put shorts and longs on large cap meme coins. So we're talking like with, for example, and then snipe after migration. So if I go here, I can actually buy and sell tokens that have on migration for tokens that haven't migrated yet, so they migrated to Radium. So like this, for example, I can actually go over here and go to advanced and set a snipe here, or I can go over to Pulse and if it's migrating, there usually be like a snipe symbol, and you can set your sniper settings over here. These are my sniper settings, so yeah, buy after dev sells or sell after dev sells, stake if you like. And you can also choose your custom RPC node as well, which if you know what that is, it can just mean, it means that you can choose your own node to actually get like transactions as well. So ton of new features like this is absolutely incredible. To sign up to Axiom, you need to check the link in the description below. You're going to need to use that link because to actually sign up to Axiom, you're going to need an invite code. So yeah, when you actually come over to Axiom, you're going to need an invite code to actually sign up and get access to the site. Once you use that invite code, obviously you can connect with Google or Phantom or your email, whichever one you want to use. Super easy to use, great for beginners. I think this platform is going to wreck just because it has a ton of new features. The interface, in my opinion, and everything is just so much better, so much cleaner, it's so much easier to use, so definitely check that below. But honestly, yeah, like I said, this was a video showing you how to actually set up the wallet tracker, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, obviously ask them below. Like I said, join our Discord to actually get access to the 272 wallets that you can track. This is just a ton of calls and a ton of good traders in the space as well, so this will be super useful because obviously you can see the calls and what the really like good traders are doing at the same time. So get a good overview of the market. But yeah, honestly, yeah, like I said, that's everything. Make sure you sign up to Axiom and you're gonna love it. It's great platform. But yeah, go down below, Telegram down below. Have a great day.